There's going to be a lot of volume in this stock traded, but they are up here on trial news. FRAN is now breaking out here, showing a lot of strength. Very light book, so be careful. HOME is starting to pick up a little steam here and made new highs, but it's up only a little bit here. FRAN pullback entry is going to be at 1014 if you guys want in. A lot of risk. So, I mean, it could be like one of those instant stop outs if you guys get in. So you guys just got to recognize what we are dealing with here in regards to what kind of stock, what kind of trading opportunity. It just came down to 1016. It's rebounding here. HOME, highs to lows. We'll see if there's any follow through. No interest in CANF as of yet. I will adjust the price on FRAN on the next bar here. I think we have to adjust it to 1026, but we may have to adjust it a little higher here.